Hello, and welcome back to the Boat of Unity. It's UwU, Day 8, August 12th, 2019. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my main essential vegan foods on the main essential dish list, and that is oats. Oats are magical. What are you going to need? First thing, oats. Wow. Second thing, banana. Third and fourth, cinnamon and salt. Lastly, we got the extras that make the oats what they are. I like to change these up. Usually I sweeten it with some type of agave or monk fruit. I'll do some type of nut to give it a crunch using cashews, maybe some roasted oats, something like that. Peanut butter, I always use peanut butter. Love that stuff. And then I've got hemp powder for more protein, and I'll mix that in with the oats at the end. Sometimes I'll use flaxseed powder, whatever type of vegan powder, chia seeds, hemp powder, flax, whatever. Alright, grab your pot, and then I like to do a cup of oats. And then I like to do a cup of water, a cup and a half. A special ionized, deionized D. What's the process called that defluorides it? It's defluoridated water, so it's fluoride free. And it's super good for you, it's super good. And reverse osmosis, that's what I was looking for. And if you don't want the superpower super water, you can use almond milk. I like to turn the heat on high as it goes, over 9,000 voltage of power. Put it on high and you let it do its thing until it boils. Boiling. So when you get to this point, then you just gotta step it to the side and you gotta turn down the heat. Put it on low, nice, soothing, calm. Grab your spoon. That's a small spoon. Grab your spoon and do a little stir. Back on the burner, and then this is when you want to start adding some of your ingredients. We forgot vegan butter. I'm gonna add a little bit of almond milk to this. I don't think I added enough water, so just do a little bit of that. A little bit of salt. About that much is good. Then we're gonna do some cinnamon. Take a look. Then you're gonna add your banana, and you don't need a knife. This is what all you gotta do. You just gotta. Oh, a little bit's gonna get. That's okay. You just gotta keep going. This is what we have teeth for, to flip the banana in the oatmeal, and save a little bit of banana to top off the oatmeal. So the oats should take a maximum of 10 to 15 minutes to cook. If you want it more creamy, then you do less time for the cook. If you want it more thick, do more time so that the liquids evaporate more. Time to top it with the special ingredients. So just for a video, I'm gonna make it look pretty. Sit back, relax. I'm gonna edit my day 3 video, possibly watch an anime. I'll literally make this like almost every day. So good. Forgot to show you guys. There's 13 grams of protein and 4 tablespoons. Incredible stuff right there. You get millions and millions of grams of protein. and you get millions and millions of gains. Go vegan. What are you waiting for?
I have no footage of day 8's meditation, so enjoy this time-lapse of me eating the beautiful, magical oatmeal. As always, much love, peace, and abundance to you, baby. Feel the energy. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, hit the bell so my videos actually get notified and they pop up in your feed. And thank you so much. It goes a long, 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 long way for me. And yeah.